Do you snore? Then this video is for you. There is plenty to be worried about if you're constantly snoring in your sleep. You don't want to annoy loved ones like your toddlers, a sibling, or a spouse with your loud snoring while you are in dreamland. If you want to learn how to get rid of some of the snoring you do while you sleep, then read through this video and see what you can do to do just that. If you smoke and you snore, quit smoking. Inflammation caused by smoking irritates the tissue in your throat, and increases the possibility that you will snore. A swollen throat is a major factor when it comes to causes of snoring. Avoid drinking alcohol within 5 hours of bedtime. Alcohol, along with other sedative drugs, causes the muscles at the back of the throat to relax. When these muscles relax, you are more apt to snore. Stay away from those nightcaps. You may actually sleep more soundly if you do not drink before bed. If you suffer from chronic snoring, you may benefit from allergy testing. Allergies can clog the nasal passages and force you to breathe out of your mouth, which causes snoring. Finding out the causes of your allergies allows you to eliminate their sources. Also, you may benefit from taking a prescribed or over-the-counter antihistamine before bed. A good way to prevent you from sleeping on your back, which can make snoring worse, is to sew something on the back of your shirt that will be uncomfortable if you roll over on it. This will make you less likely to ever sleep in a position where you are on your back. As you have learned through this video, there are a lot of ways to get rid of the snoring you do while you sleep. Take into account all that you learned from this video and continuously expand your knowledge in the subject. If you do this and apply all that you learned, then you should reduce your snoring before you know it. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.